If I'm gonna pay $43 when I rinse my mask out, my hair better be soft, defined, moisturized, shiny, just out of this world, nothing I've never experienced with a deep conditioner in my life type of feeling. That's what I want for $43. But I have $10 conditioners that work better than this. Hey girls, so I wanted to do a few videos about whether expensive high-end products are worth the price tag. So I bought the whole Living Proof No Frizz line, and I also bought a few of the Restore line so that I could use it and see if it's worth spending your hard-earned bucks for this line of hair products. Now, I had really high expectations for these products, especially since it was no frizz and Restore. I felt like the ingredients would, combat frizz and make sure my hair was nice, moisturized, shiny, and just lustrous. And then the Restore line would help me maintain good health and make sure my hair looks good. But as you can see, my hair is dry, it's frizzy. There's no sheen to it, there's no luster, there's no volume, it's just, if you touch it, it just feels firm and I don't know, I don't even have words to explain how bad of a state my hair is in. And this wasn't just one-time use and do a review. No, this was continual use, day after day, product after product, multiple times using it, and it really just did not work for my hair. It did not provide me with any moisture. It did not provide me with any softness. My hair is still frizzy. So my hair is firm, it's frizzy, and it's dry. What natural wants that? And I bought this whole line from Ulta and I spent $229. Yeah, I purchased this whole line with my own money, and I had very high expectations because before purchasing it, I did a lot of online research. I read a lot of reviews. I even read reviews from supposed curl experts that said that this would be a good line for curly hair girls. Now, it's a good line for the person who is the spokesperson for the line. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. But anyway, for type 4 hair, thick hair, kinky hair, coily hair, they didn't make this for you. And that's why they probably don't advertise to us, because they didn't make it for us, so they're not gonna pretend like they did. But anyways, let's go through this line and let me explain to you how I felt about each product. So I got the Living Proof No Frizz Shampoo. I did get the travel size because I don't use a lot of shampoos. I usually can get the small size shampoo and it'll last me quite a while. Now this particular item cost $11, so not outrageously expensive, but if you consider this is a travel size shampoo and it's over $10, yeah. In terms of usage, when you put it in your hand, it's very watery and it coats your strands. You feel it working in your hair. You feel the suds working and doing their job, removing any dirt or debris. So it works well for a shampoo, but I don't think it's worth blowing the bank for a shampoo. The next item I used is a No Frizz Conditioner, and this item was $26. And I have nothing special to say about this. I wish I could say it was very moisturizing and it helped do something to my hair, but in all honesty, it was just a basic conditioner. There's nothing about it that would make me want to spend almost $30 for it again. But yeah, there's nothing that I have to say negative or positive. It's just a decent conditioner that you can live with or you can live without. And then I have the Living Proof Restore Mask Treatment. This product cost $43. Yes, $43. And in terms of using it, I felt like it coated my hair. I felt like my hair was soft after I used it. My curls were defined, but I did not feel like it's worth $43. So Yeah, I mean, if I'm gonna pay $43 when I rinse my mask out, my hair better be soft, defined, moisturized, shiny, just out of this world, nothing I've never experienced with a deep conditioner in my life type of feeling. That's what I want for $43. But I have $10 conditioners that work better than this. So no, 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 no. We're not about to spend $43 for a product that's not just heaven sent and just so luxurious and just defining and moisturizing and just everything your hair could have ever wanted. If it's not doing all of that, no, you going back to the stove. In the shower, after I rinsed out my deep conditioner, I applied Living Proof No Frizz Leave-In Conditioner, and I used this to detangle. As a detangler, I do feel like this was a pretty good product. It did provide me with slip and allow me to detangle with ease, so I have nothing negative to say about this. And this cost $26. In the shower, I also used the Living Proof Restore Perfecting Spray. Now, I got the travel size because I didn't want to pay the price for the full size. Let's just keep it real. So yeah, I got the travel size of this spray. I used it in the shower after I rinsed out my deep conditioning or my mask treatment. And I do feel like for a spray conditioner or treatment, it is thick, it's coating. You can feel it on your hair after you spray it in, but it doesn't do anything that the leave-in couldn't do on its own. Like, it doesn't provide that extra oomph that you feel like it would need. I think because this is from the Restore line, it's there to repair and remend and help damaged hair. But my ends feel worse than they've ever felt in my hair journey. And I used one of the most expensive lines I've ever used in my life, and it's meant to get rid of frizz and restore. And my ends, I've literally had to clip my ends twice this week alone with consistent use of this line. So I'm using this line, I lost length. Let me just put it that way. So in terms of restoring and mending and helping my ends and bringing my hair back to health, I do feel like it had the reverse on my hair. I feel like my ends are in worse condition than they've ever been, and I'm probably going to have to chop off some more, which I'm really upset about because I had really high expectations for this line in terms of fighting my frizz, in terms of helping mend my somewhat damaged hair. I wouldn't say my hair is damaged, but you know, everyone can use help in that area. It doesn't hurt to use something that's supposed to help bring back health to your hair. So I had really high expectations, and I am thoroughly disappointed in how my hair turned out and how my hair feels and how my ends look. It's just, this spray costs $16. So when styling my hair, I used 3 products. I used the Living Proof Restore Repair Leave-In. I used the Living Proof No Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream. To seal in all my moisture, I used the Living Proof No Frizz Nourishing Oil. This Repair Leave-In costs $30, and this Nourishing Styling Cream costs $28. So together, these two are roughly $60. And this is what I use mainly to style my hair, and I use them in conjunction with each other because I wanted no frizz and I wanted my hair to be restored and I wanted it to be healthy, and if I had like any split ends, I wanted to use a product that would, you know, help mend that and, you know, combat my frizz. So I felt like these two were good to use as stylers together. And like I also stated, my hair is in the worst condition it's ever been in terms of being dry and frizzy, and my ends just like falling apart. It all happened in the time that I've used these products together continuously. So I can honestly say, like, within a few weeks, my hair has declined tremendously in my opinion, and I've had to trim my hair multiple times, and I'm still gonna have to trim it again because my ends are just that bad right now. And these 2 products alone cost $60. So let me put it to you this way: you could get, if you have a Shea Moisture leave-in that costs $10, you could get 6 of those for the price of 2 of these. and your hair probably won't need to be trimmed after a week of using it, or 2 weeks of using it, or a month of using it. This, I wouldn't even call an oil. Like, we know what oils are. This is a silicone. So none of these are for natural hair. None of these are for the maintenance of natural hair. This is for a different texture, a different clientele, and I am the proof in the pudding. I don't know, I am the proof. Like, my hair usually, because I have a lot of strands and I have dense hair, it's usually pretty big. When I use the right products, especially after continuously moisturizing and sealing, by the end of the week my hair is very moisturized, it's very shiny, and it's very manageable. My ends are just, I like just rubbing my hands on my ends, I can feel so many single strand knots. And my ends look horrible. And mind you, I've already trimmed them twice. But just, my ends are horrible. My hair is frizzy. There's no life. There's no volume. There is no shine. There's no moisture. There's just, it's just like it was, instead of adding everything that it claimed that it would to my hair, it just took it away slowly. It's just taking it away. It's taking away all the health that my hair had, and it's just leaving it dull and lifeless and just killing it slowly. So I wanted to do this review. I decided to do this review, so you know, I can't be mad at anyone, but I'm just very disappointed that I spent $229 just for my hair to look like crap, you know. So luckily I did purchase this from Ulta, so I will be returning it all back to Ulta. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get some Shea Moisture while I'm there. I'm gonna take all this back, give me some Shea Moisture, maybe some Maui Moisture if I'm in the mood. No one should spend this much money and just not have hair that looks like a gift from God. Like, my hair should just look beautiful. Like, I just have nothing else to say besides my hair looks like crap and I spent over $200. Like, that just doesn't make sense. Okay? But anyways, I hope this video was helpful. If you have been thinking about dipping your toe into more expensive products, more high-end products, I don't think it's worth it. If you have products that work for you, I don't care if it's $5, I don't care if it's $10, I don't care if it's $20. If you have good products with good ingredients that work for you, I feel like just stick with them. There's no need to feel like we need to spend more, buy more, have more. Or I feel like if cheaper products that are made well and have good ingredients work in your hair, just stick with it. I did this as an experiment. I got results that I wasn't expecting. I was expecting my hair to look the best it's ever looked, you know, because no one spends $200 for their hair to look bad. So I was thinking, you know, I'm buying quality products, I'm going to have really good results, I'm really going to love the way my hair looks. I did my hair for a very important weekend using these products because I thought I was going to have good results. And now I'm going to have to just rewash my hair, redo my hair, change my whole game plan that I had set up, and use products that I got from Sally's that were under $10 because they work. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you learned something. Please like my video, leave me a comment, subscribe to me. I'd love to have you. Hit me on Instagram at XO_Rocky. I'd love to chat with you there. But until next time, see ya.
Lead them from temptation, make them royalty. All the things we face and make us question it. Lead us to salvation, pour that oil, please. That's how we become kings and queens.